Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. Finally, the upcoming Galaxy Tab S8 family may have a hard time convincing iPad owners to switch, but as far as Android fans go, it is shaping up to be one elegant and powerful slate, as Evan Blass from Evleaks tweets, just reiterated by posting its design and specs before the official Unpacked 2022 event unveiling on February 9th. Mr. Blass has shown both the black and the white version of the Galaxy Tab S8 from all angles, and what we are seeing is one slim and aesthetically pleasing tablet with uniform bezel frame all around the display and a dedicated S Pen stylus place on the back. You can reserve your Galaxy Tab S8 pre-ordering place. In addition, I like the look of the Galaxy S22's upgrades, but I predict I'll be distracted by Tab S8 more if it does appear at the same event as rumored, and in particular the new top model, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. This is a tablet the likes of which we've not really seen before, and it could mark the opening of a new category if it catches on. First off, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is larger than any tablet we've seen before. At 14.6 inches, it has over an inch and a half on the already large 12.9-inch iPad Pro. It's even larger than the displays of some laptops, yet it's supposed to be both lighter and thinner than the iPad Pro. Plus, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's display is thought to be a bright and efficient AMOLED panel, that should give the Tab S8 Ultra a big advantage over other similar tablets, if not the mini LED iPad Pro, although the Tab S8 Ultra's resolution will apparently not match up to Apple's premium tablet. Samsung's also said to be equipping the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra with dual 12MP front cameras in a notch, again something we've not seen on tablets before. The main and ultra-wide combination could probably use some special features though, perhaps something like to the iPad line center stage, to make its invasion of the display area worthwhile. The Tab S8 Ultra shouldn't be wanting for computing power either, with either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, or possibly Samsung's Exynos 2200 depending on the region. As the case may be, you won't find a better chip in any Android device. Now these are not going to deliver similar performance to the laptop or desktop computer-grade Apple M1 chip Apple uses in the iPad Pro, but the Tab S8 Ultra should easily be the fastest Android tablet yet. While it'll apparently be sharing the same chipset as the other Tab S8 models, you can expect an extra large amount of memory in the Tab S8 Ultra. The rumors say up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB storage, plus you will probably still get a Samsung S Pen stylus in the box like with previous Tab S series tablets, giving you one of the top accessories for any premium tablet without extra payment. Apple charges $129 for the Apple Pencil 2, really if and to say Samsung has done job on the upcoming Smart. That is it guys, without being said let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, one peace out.